guys, we're here at the marina. We're about to pick up a new boat that my dad just bought. Gonna bring it up and down the Niantic River, see how it goes, and then we can bring it home. Kept seeing some bait fish down in the water, so I'm gonna try this swim bait, take a few casts, see if we can catch a fish before we get the boat. Not sure if you can see it, but there's a jellyfish in the water at the end of the dock. Here's our new boat, 21-foot center console. Lots of fish will be caught on this boat, and lots of videos will be made.